Hello, and welcome to the map of the Stony Man region in the Shenandoah National Park digital project. This online site will take you through a digitized version of the 1935 map that was originally hand-drawn by Tom Coverwell and reveals the story of the mountain folks that can be seen drawn on this map. When Shenandoah National Park was established in the year 1935, the hundreds of families that were residing within the park's boundaries were removed. This online site seeks to share a bit of the mountain folk's story while you explore this interesting map from the same year the national park was established. The home page will show you a bit of information about the project and the purpose. It is important to note that this map is not a geographically accurate map and is more so a visualization of a social commentary on how 1930s America viewed the families living in the hollows of the Shenandoah Valley. On this page as well is a helpful navigation guide for users to orient themselves to the site. It is suggested that a first-time user use the menu on the upper left-hand side and click on the Shenandoah National Park tab first. This tab has more information about the establishment of the national park and some general overview information about the removal of the Blue Ridge families. This tab is helpful for those that are new to this subject. Next on the navigation menu bar is the Interactive Map tab. This is an interactive portion of the site. Once you've clicked on the tab, you will need to click into the page. The best way to view this map is in full screen mode. This interactive map allows for users to zoom in and out of the map and see the icons up close and in detail. I have included several waypoints to help users see the icons that are associated with the mountain folk. Click on a waypoint and you will be taken to that location on the map. For example, I will click on the Nicholson Hollow tab and be taken to an icon of Old Man Aaron Nicholson. There is a text box with information on the upper left-hand side with context. This text box will also encourage a user to look at the exhibit page for more information. We will now click back out of the full screen mode, back to the main site here, to the Browse Exhibits page. The exhibits examine the story of the mountain folk more closely and correlate to the icons on the interactive map. We will click into Corbin Hollow here, and we will click into the Peoples tab. These exhibits will have the primary sources for the user to explore with an explanation for the sources along with the primary sources themselves. Thank you for visiting the map of the Stony Man region in the Shenandoah National Park digital map.